Divine Nundo. Welcome to Ezza Voice. Here we bring Ezza language and culture to life. My name is Emeka Andrew Chukwu, popularly known as Chandel, and I'm so excited to take you on this journey of learning, speaking, and celebrating Ezza, one of the most beautiful dialects from Ebonyi State, Nigeria. If you are from Ezza, or you've heard people speak Ezza, and you had wanted to understand what they are saying, this is the right place for you. On Ezza Voice, we will be learning how to greet, introduce ourselves, express emotions, tell stories, and even sing songs like Momente Kenteke, all in Ezza. Let's start today with something. Greetings in Ezza. Word number 1. Ndo. Say with me. Ndo. Ndo means hello or welcome. You can use it anytime you meet someone. Word number 2. Edoho. Edoho means how are you? It's a friendly question. Word number 3. Ndokwa. It's pronounced Ndokwa. That means I am fine. You can answer this when somebody asks you Edoho. Then you can reply Ndokwa, meaning how are you? I am fine. Word number 4. Edike. Edo-ike. It means thank you. You can say this when someone helps you or gives you something. Now, let's say it together. Ndo. Ndokwa. Edoho. Ndokwa. Edike. Don't get confused with the additional words, which is ndokwa. When somebody says ndo and you reply ndokwa, it's just like saying hello and the person replies hi. Get the point now? Let's put it together in a short conversation. Ndo. Ndokwa. Edoho. Ndokwa. Edike. Translated like this. Hello. Hi. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Simple, right? That's how we greet politely in Ezza. Congratulations. You just learned your first words in Ezza. In our next episode, we will learn how to introduce ourselves, say your name, where you are from, and more. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. Let's keep our language and culture alive, one word at a time.